Bitcoin might not fall as low as many people expect. Some analysts believe the lowest point this cycle could be around $55,000. Today, we're going to break down why they think that, what the charts are showing, and what this could mean for all the investors. One popular analyst says Bitcoin will not drop below $55,000 even in the next bear market. The idea is simple. They looked at long-term charts like monthly Bollinger Bands and the monthly RSI. These charts help show when Bitcoin is overvalued and when it's undervalued. Right now, the bottom of those charts sits in the mid $50,000 range. And here is the key point. Bitcoin has never closed below the lower Bollinger Band on the monthly chart. So the argument is this. If the indicator shows support around 55,000 and Bitcoin hasn't had a huge blow off top, then a massive crash down to $35,000 or lower doesn't match the data. This cycle is very different from 2017 or 2021. Back then, Bitcoin went crazy to the upside, then crashed 70 to 80%. This time, Bitcoin hit around $126,000, dropped around 30%, but didn't show the same extreme behavior as in past cycles. Plus, there is a lot more support in the market now. We have ETFs, we have institutional buyers. The market has more liquidity. It's harder for big drops to happen the same way they used to. All of this makes a deep crash less likely. But not everyone agrees on the exact number. Many people believe the bottom might be higher, not lower. Some see strong support around $65,000 to $68,000. They think buyers will step in long before Bitcoin gets close to $55,000. So here is the range of opinion. A mild correction around $65,000 to $70,000, a deeper correction around $55,000, and the extreme bearish view, 35,000 or lower. The main point is this. Most analysts think the extreme crash is unlikely this cycle. If the Bitcoin really doesn't fall below 55,000, that changes how people think about buying dips. Investors waiting for a huge crash might miss it. The buying zone could be in the $55,000 to $70,000 range. This doesn't mean Bitcoin can move quickly. If it breaks major support levels, especially the 72,000 to 75,000 area, we could see the sharp moves. But overall, the idea here is simple. The downside might be smaller than in past cycles. So here is my thoughts. But as always, this video is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Again, this is just my thoughts about the situation. So the 55,000 bottom idea makes sense. This cycle hasn't been wild or parabolic. And Bitcoin now has a stronger support from institutions and ETFs. But nothing in crypto is guaranteed. A big news event or market shock can still change everything. If I were buying a position, I would use DCA, watch for dips in the $55,000 to $70,000 range, and keep an eye on the monthly charts for confirmation. So yeah, let me know in the comments, do you think the 55,000 is the real floor? Or do you think that Bitcoin will fall much lower? Again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring a bell to never miss all the important information and crypto news. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.